Terra Classic daily cash flow have really dropped. Even now, in the past 3 to 4 days, Luna have been below $20 million trading volume. This have not happened before. Most time you see almost 40, 50, 80 million, over 100 million trading volume. So this is a sign. This shows that truly, gradually, Luna is really going down. So that is why you need to be very careful right now with Terra Classic. As of the time of recording this, the price is trading at 0.00008372. For Terra Classic to bounce back to where it was as a few months ago, they need almost 500%. Okay, now the market cap is still currently trading at $486.9 million market cap. Okay, with about 226, they have 226 billion 574 million 325,067 Terra Classic coin is being traded today. That is about $18.9 million. Right now, they need, before the end of this weekend, Terra Classic need to push the trading volume towards over $50 million. This will help to attract more people to keep on investing and trading Terra Classic. This will help Luna to also increase in the burning rate. This will help to revive the trust, because imagine that right now Terra Classic volume is about 18.9. Imagine this dropping to just 8 million or 10 million. A coin that have once experienced over $600 million, not quite long trading volume in a day. You're talking about just 8 million or 10 million. A lot of people believe that it is definitely off. The coin is gone. Okay, so it will be difficult for the Terra Classic to manage themselves to come out, to pull out of it. So please, I want our Terra Classic developers to truly do what they need to do. They should go back to their homework, do something right that can help this coin. Sometimes fundamental analysis can play a vital role in changing so many things. Yes, fundamental analysis. There's some news about Terra Classic that might be pumping out the street, the blocks, that you see the coins start rising once again. So they should look for ways to bring in ideas that will help raise this coin back, ideas that will help Terra Classic to come up. And for today, Binance founder have continued to say they are still with Terra Classic. Kucoin say they are with Terra Classic. Crypto.com saying they are with Terra Classic. Get.io, of course, blockchain, a lot of them, trust wallets, they're all saying that they are with what? Terra Classic LUSD. So let's hope for the best. Remember, this on the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.